This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring the laptop has enough power and you've closed heavy apps. This prevents brightness or contrast controls from behaving oddly. Once ready, open Settings, go to System, then Display or press Windows+I and navigate there. You do this because contrast adjustments rely on the display pipeline. If drivers are missing or overlays are active, the control may not work. After opening Display, scroll to the related settings so you can access advanced or color profile options for the next step. You now dive into advanced controls to change contrast directly. Once in advanced display settings, open Display Adapter Properties and then Color Management. Select your display and add or set an ICC profile that alters contrast. Alternatively, open the Intel, NVIDIA, or AMD graphics control panel. These often expose contrast sliders under color or display sections. Make changes incrementally so you can see the effect. This ensures you don't push gamma or contrast too far and lose shadow or highlight detail. You finish by applying the chosen ICC profile or graphics panel contrast, setting and testing with a standardized image or a variety of content to confirm natural tones. Once done, make sure to save or back up the original profile so you can revert quickly if highlights or shadow detail suffer. If you can't find contrast controls, update the GPU driver or install the laptop maker's display utility. Doing that usually restores vendor-specific sliders. If problems persist, a driver rollback or external calibration tool will diagnose the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.